Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I'm going to do question number 7 from the August 22 Regents exam. So let me jump into it. It just says the graph below represents 4 polynomial functions, which of the functions have zeros of 2 and a -3. You can see these. There's 4 graphs here. They're all quadratics, and every one of them has 2 zeros. So they're saying they want to find the one that has a 0 of 2 and a -3. So let's start with the first one. And basically the zeros are where they cross the x-axis. So here and here. So this point would be a -2. This point would be a +3. That's close, but the signs are wrong. So that's not the answer. We go to number 2. This has 2 negative of zeros. We need one that's positive. So that's not it either. If we go to 3, if we look here and we look here, this is going to be a -3. This is a +2, which is what we're looking for. So this is our answer. We can stop there. So basically, when they ask for zeros and if they give you a graph, you just find where the graph crosses the x-axis. Wherever it crosses the x-axis, those are zeros. Sometimes we call them roots. Sometimes they call them x-intercepts, but they're all the same thing. Now I'm going to do another couple of questions just to show you, because there's something else I want to show you. Now in this one, they say we have another quadratic. The graph is 1/2 x squared minus x minus 4. It's shown below. We have the points of -2, 0, which is here. That's A. 0, -4, which is here. That's B. And then we have 4, 0, which is here, which is C. And they want to know which of these points can determine the zeros of the equation. So basically, this one and this one, because these are both zeros. This is the y-intercept. So this is not going to help us find a 0. So we would say A and C. That's the answer. So again, it's just basically finding where the graph crosses the x-axis. Now, if we go here, now this is how you will see it sometimes. It says the zeros of the function x squared minus 5x minus 6, and they want us to find them. Now, here's an easy way to do it. You can always just graph this function and then just look to see where it crosses the x-axis. That's one way to do it, but I also want to show you another feature that you can use. So let me go here. And I'm going to use the calculator. So let me go to So from here, I'm going to use something. So I'm going to use a menu. Going to go to Algebra. Dang it, let me get rid of that because that's not what I wanted to do. Sometimes it's cursor. Menu, Algebra. And then we're going to go to Polynomial Tools. And then we want the real roots of the polynomial. So basically it's 3, 3, 2. We choose this one and you're going to see this polyroots. Now, so all you have to do is you're just going to key in the quadratic -6 and then put comma x. And it's going to find the zeros for you. And it says there are 2 zeros, -1 and 6. So if we go back to our thing, it's a -1, 6. So it would be the first one. That's done. That's it. I just wanted to make sure you guys could see that. So let me go back and show that one more time. It's just menu. You go to Algebra. You're going to go to option 3 for polynomials. And then you're going to use the real roots. And then it'll come up with polyroots. You just enter whatever the function is, and then whatever the variable is, most of the time it's going to be x. And then just press enter, and it'll find it for you. If there's more than 2, it'll find them. All right, that's it, guys.